Have you ever wondered how a simple window could save your life? Today we're looking at egress windows for a domestic house. Welcome to Berkley Builds, I'm Ben. I'm a former building inspector and now run ProjectWise, which you can check out down here. Let's talk egress windows. I'm going to cover 4 areas. What is an egress window? Its size, its location, and its functionality. Let's jump straight into it. An egress window is simply a window that is designed for escaping through in the event of an emergency, allowing access to a place of safety. Approved Document B sets out the technical requirements for an egress window, which we'll go through in a moment. The principal designer must pay close attention to these requirements, ensuring that egress windows provide a safe means of escape in case of a fire. Compliance with Approved Document B isn't optional, it's a legal requirement. The primary requirement for an egress window is its size. The window should have an openable area of 0.33 meters squared and a minimum height and width of 450 mm. Egress windows are located in habitable rooms, used at ground floor, first floor and also in basements, although a basement would need a window well to escape from. An egress window should be unobstructed, with a height no more than 1100 mm from the floor. This is measured from the floor to the bottom of the window casement. An egress window can't be used if the window is higher than 4.5 meters from the ground, which typically means they can't be used in loft conversions. Egress windows must be easy to open, without the need for special tools or keys. This ensures that anyone, regardless of physical ability, can escape quickly in the event of emergency. Egress windows should have a hinge that allows it to open to 90 degrees, and when open, the window should sit close to the reveal and not obstruct escape. Whether you're a builder or a homeowner and need answers to technical questions, check out the ProjectWise website to learn more about how we can support you. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Now you understand the technical requirements for egress windows, check out this video next.